ENLIGHT. As a part of HTML for beginners, we have already covered 4 classes previously, and in the last class we have learned about paragraph tag. Now we are going to learn more tags about formatting, like bold, italic, subscript, superscript, strike through, underline, etc. These kind of tags we are going to learn today. Okay. If anybody not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel so that whenever we have uploaded a new class, you will get a notification so that you will not miss it. Okay. Then coming to the class now. In previous class, we have taken a paragraph in a web page. I have opened this ABC file, HTML file in Notepad. Here I have already opened it, and again I have opened it in Internet Explorer as well. Here is this. Okay. Now this matter is related to freelancing. So I am going to place a subheading here like freelancing. Okay. For that, we are taking a paragraph here and freelancing and close it. Okay. Let us see how it is reflecting in our web page. See, here is this. And we have to increase the font size as this is a subheading, and first we are going to increase the font size and color. Font size equal to some 5, or we can give 4. Color equal to some blue. Okay, and the paragraph and the font tag, and then here close the font tag. Okay, then come to the browser and refresh. Here it got increased. If you want to increase the size more, then we can increase the size. See here. Okay, then we have to make this text as bold. Okay, for making the text bold, we have 2 tags. Okay, one is B tag and the other one is strong. Okay, both the tags will make the text as bold. Okay, we will try both. Let me first try with B tag. Then I am inserting B tag here. Again closing the tag here. Okay, we have used paragraph tag. In that paragraph tag, font is there, and then bold tag is also we are using. Now bold tag closed, then font tag is closed, and then paragraph tag also closed. Okay, every tag must be closed. Be careful. And come to the browser and refresh. See, it got bold. Okay, and for bold another tag is also there now. We will try that one also. First remove this B tag, then save, come to the browser and refresh. Okay, now it became normal. I am going to use strong tag now. Strong, and here we are going to close the tag strong. Okay, we have closed it. Save, come to the browser and refresh. See, it got bold. Okay, we can use any of the tags, either B or strong tag, to make the text as bold. And to make it italic, for making italic also we have 2 tags like I or EM. EM stands for emphasize and I stands for italic, but both are same. Okay, now let me try with I tag. I tag is open, and then close it here. Save, come to the browser and refresh. See, it got the text became slant. Okay, which is called as italic. Okay, and now I am going to use emphasize. Let me delete this first. Save, come to the browser and refresh. Okay, it became normal. Then use EM tag. EM. Then close EM. save, come to the browser and refresh. Okay, it became italic. Okay, either we can use I tag or em tag. And now coming to the point, how to make underline. For making underline, we have only one tag, which is u tag. Okay, I'm going to use it here and then close this tag here. Okay, I have opened the tag here and closed the tag here. Save, come to the browser and refresh. Okay, underline. The underline appears below the text, but if we want to make the line across the text, then we can use strike option. Okay, strike tag we can use. I am removing this underline, then I am using strike. Okay, strike like this. Okay, this is the strike through option. The tag is strike, S-T-R-I-K-E. Okay, I hope you have understood all these tags. Now coming to subscript and superscript tags. What are subscript and superscript? If suppose in H2O, which is a formula for water, okay, here 2 comes a bit lower than H and O, right? That is called subscript. And if we take A square, B square, then 2 comes above the line of A or B, then it is called superscript. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to make subscript and superscript. Okay. Now here I am going to write some H2O, otherwise O2, which is formula for oxygen. And write O as usual. Then subscript. We are going to use sub tag for subscript. Then again 2. Okay, save, come to the browser and refresh. See here, O2. 2 became sub. If you remove this sub, then observe the change. Save, come to the browser and refresh. Sorry. See, beside O, 2 has been placed, but we have to make it a bit lower than O. So we have to use sub, and again we have to close sub. Okay, and then if we want to make H2O, then only 2 has to be in subscript. Okay, then before 2 we are going to add sub, we are going to open the sub tag, then after 2 we are going to close the sub tag. Okay, this is the format we are going to use. No space is required. I have just given that to understand clearly. Okay, see, come to the browser and refresh. See here, it came beside the O2 because we have not given a break tag or paragraph tag. If we give break tag here, it will come in the next line. Okay, save, come to the browser and refresh. See here. Okay, like this we can give subscript. And coming to superscript, I am going to delete this and A square. Okay, now let us see here, both are in the same size, and now we are going to make this 2 in superscript. Okay, let us see how we are going to give that. SUP will be the tag for superscript, then after 2 we are going to close it, superscript. We are going to close the superscript. Okay, save, come to the browser and refresh. See here, A square. Okay, then if you want to give B square or something else, A plus B whole square, we are going to open super here, 2, then close superscript. Okay, save, come to the browser and refresh. Like this we can Like this we can write the formulas here. Okay, I hope you have understood about subscript, superscript and all the formatting tags. Please hit a like button if you like the video and subscribe the channel for getting more updates regarding this tutorial. And we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.